Want to use your Boost Mobile iPhone with another carrier? It's possible. Since the FCC's 2023 mandate, Boost Mobile is required to unlock eligible phones. This means you can switch to carriers like AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile. First, ensure your iPhone is fully paid off with no remaining installments. Your Boost Mobile account is active and in good standing, no outstanding balances, and the iPhone hasn't been reported lost or stolen. Note that newer iPhones may require extra verification. Keep in mind that unlocking is legal and gives you freedom, but unofficial methods can be risky, potentially voiding your warranty or harming your device. Always stick to the official Boost Mobile process. To request an unlock, contact Boost Mobile directly through their app, website, or customer service. They'll need your iPhone's IMEI, which you can find in Settings, then General, then About. Boost Mobile processes unlocks remotely. For eSIM-compatible iPhones, like iPhone S and later, the unlock is often instant. Physical SIM models might take 1 to 7 business days. Boost Mobile reports a high success rate for eligible requests, and standard unlocks are free. Some users report delays, and Boost Mobile may request proof of purchase for refurbished devices. Once unlocked, your iPhone can accept SIM cards from other carriers. Be aware that unlocks are generally for US-based carriers unless your device is factory unlocked.